Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to save YouTube music to your phone. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the YouTube Music app on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Here we are in the YouTube Music app. Now to download music, find the desired songs by scrolling through the library, or you can use the search bar and find the song by name. Once you find it, tap to open it. Now the song starts playing, and to save this song, from the top right side, tap on the three vertical dots. A new menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. Here find the download or save option. Tap on download, but this option is only available for the premium version. However, if you open the sharing option, you will get the song link. So tap to copy it and download it from the third party downloading website. You can also upgrade your plan, which you can check from the bottom right side. Here are the YouTube music plans. You can choose any one according to your need. And that's it. This is how you can save YouTube music on your phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.